Welcome to today's C.R.E lesson. Today we are going to look at paper 1, question 1a, with reference to the accounts of creation in Genesis chapter 1 and 2. Identify 8 attributes of God. 8 marks. God is all powerful. He created things by word of mouth. God is orderly. He created things in an organized and systematic manner. God is everywhere. Rather, you can just say God is omnipresent. God is the provider. God is the creator. God is all-knowing. God requires obedience. God is loving. God is a spirit moving over the face of the earth. God is a source of goodness. God is holy. God is a worker. Question 1b. Give 6 similarities in the creation accounts. Or rather, give 6 similarities in the creation stories in Genesis chapter 1 and 2. 6 marks. So how are the stories in Genesis chapter 1 and 2 similar? How are they alike? God is acknowledged the sole creator. Creation includes both living and non-living objects. Human beings are presented as special beings. There is provision for the needs of man. Human beings are created in the image of God. Man and woman are created by God, and man and woman were created for companionship. Question 1c. Outline reasons why man has failed to take up responsibilities given to him by God. 6 marks. Lack of faith in God. Poor role models. Negative peer pressure. Permissiveness in the society. Emergence of science and technology. Desire to acquire worldly wealth. Poverty. Traditional ties. And devil worship, which offer immediate financial and material gains. Question 2a. Outline the activities carried out by the Israelites on the night of the Exodus. 6 marks. Animals were slaughtered. Blood was put on the doorposts of the house. The slaughtered animal was to be roasted. Israelites ate unleavened bread and bitter herbs. They ate while fully dressed for the journey to show that they were in a hurry. They stayed indoors until morning. They burnt all the leftovers of the meal. The killing of the Egyptian firstborns by the angel of death. The mourning by the Egyptians when they realized their firstborns were dead. Pharaoh allowing the Israelites to leave Egypt. Question 2b. Give 5 reasons why Exodus was important to the Israelites. 8 marks. They understood that God is more powerful than other gods. Also, the Israelites were able to understand that God fulfills his promises. That is why he allowed the Israelites to be released from Egypt. He is God of their forefathers, that is God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. God is holy because he restricted them from coming near Mount Sinai. He uses his chosen people to carry out his mission. God is the provider, provided food and water for them. He is a moral God. He gave them the 10 Commandments. God is a personal God who initiates a covenant relationship with the individual, which is when he initiated the Sinai covenant. God is omnipresent, that is, he is everywhere. He moved within in form of a pillar of fire and a pillar of cloud. God is transcendent, that is, he is beyond human understanding. He revealed himself at Mount Sinai. How do Christians show their respect for God? They set aside a day of worship, that is on Sunday, and others on Saturday. They set aside holy places of worship. They do not mention God's name in vain. They pray to him, giving offerings and tithe, praising him for his wonders, taking care of the environment, looking after the needy, preaching his word or preaching the word of God, living an exemplary life.